Welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel.
You gotta put the finger, you gotta point.
Yeah, you gotta point.
YouTube channel.
Hold on, you gotta get the light in there. There you go.
YouTube channel.
There you go.
On today's episode,
We're gonna pop tires
and make smoke and make smoke in circles. Different,
not crash.
different circles.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel, where we are at Cleetus and Cars Bradenton 2022, getting ready for the Burnout show. So I decided to enter two classes for this event with the Lexus SC300, the new Lexus SC300 that the guys put together. CJ's chewing on chicken wings. Yeah, plus Eddie. Eddie's not here. We all kind of helped out on it, but we got some new art on the side. Who's got their phone? You got your phone light? We got some new, oh, there we go. Had to put some kind of stickers on it. So the plan is actually to paint it back like the other car was, the red, and then maybe with some different
like nicer,
stuff.
Right?
But nicer,
You're
yeah.
not gonna let me paint.
I mean, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll see.
Maybe we'll have it wrapped.
That's it.
Mako? Maybe Mako gets it. I don't know. So it's about time to get ready for Burnout Rivals, which they flipped the order on us, and I had a new set of skinnier tires that I was going to use for the Pro class, which I thought was coming first. And now we've got you getting stuck to the car?
Well, I'm trying to be your lighting man here.
Oh, gotcha.
I might have been.
The paint is still wet.
Is it? It's not on me. We're good.
It's not on you, so, but yeah, it's still tacky wet. So it might come back covered and stuck with rubber dust, which would be a little weird.
That'd be kind of cool.
But, all right, well, I got to suit up, or I'm suited up, but I got to get in the car. Adam's yelling at me, said I got to go.
Well, they called a 10-minute timeout on pay-per-view after we have one more open, guys, so you got a little bit of time.
Okay, cool.
All right, but
How many's in Rivals?
10.
Okay.
Roughly.
And then 8 or 10 in Pro?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, well, you heard it. Let's go make some smoke and hopefully not knock down any walls, because that's not only a points deduction, but I don't want to tear up the car. It's too pretty.
You better not hurt it. Don't you hurt my race car.
You told me to not drive like a weenie.
What? You gotta just kiss the wall, just a little.
But that means it's still going to tear up the corners.
No, kisses are okay.
Okay.
When the quarter panel's in here, we have problems.
Yeah, that did happen. Multiple times, yes. Well, the one I made the quarter panel come out. Was that okay?
Can we hit the wall with the rear end, not the front end? Is that acceptable?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, we got more quarters at the shop, kinda, with other. Actually, no, we don't. I got to go get that car still. So.
Hey.
Anyways.
No.
No more crashing. No more crashing. But I got 2 chances at it tonight, and I might just need the nitrous for the Pro. And anyways, stay tuned. Let's see what happens. All right, well, we're up here for Burnout Rivals. We got the tires swapped real quick. Thought we were running Pro first, but they switched the order up on us. And I've got a different set of tires that I want to run for Pro. Because in Pro, we're actually racing for some money. I can't reach my nitrous bottle. Oh, yeah, I can. So yeah, we got Chad up on top of the hill. No, we don't. That's JH. Okay, so JH is up on top of the hill. We got Ronnie Renner in front of us. And then Roman Atwood and Demolition Ranch Matt behind us. Thank you. And I guess let's see what happens with this thing. Hopefully she does something halfway good. I don't know.
go ahead and say it. That was the best run I've seen all night. Wow. Kevin Smith, what a burnout, brother. Let's go.
Let's go! Good job!
In 2 weeks, he totaled it about a month ago, this small body, so let's hear it for the KSR crew.
Woo!
Dude, well done. That's gonna be hard to top. That was great.
It's only 180 degrees.
Dude, where'd you learn how to drive?
Pretty good, huh?
That was really good.
Go do it again and actually win some money.
Yes. New tires, cool down, fans, generator. Let's get to it.
All right, well, the first burnout and burnout rivals went really well. And we think we're in the running for possibly winning rivals, which would be pretty awesome. And like you saw on some, I mean, hopefully, I haven't watched all the videos yet, but everybody was pretty excited about it. At the time, Garrett said it was the best one of the night, so that's exciting. We got her cooled down, some fresh tires on the back, and we're gonna try it again. So these tires are brand new, like mounted them today. The other tires were takeoffs off of some of the older Crown Vics. Hopefully these still pop. I thought the Dittos weren't gonna pop because they were really wide. These are skinnier, but they're brand new, fresh, kind of soft, so it may have some more speed across the pad. I was a little timid on the tip end, so I want to get better on that for this run to try and be even more exciting. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Like, that was pretty much the best case scenario for what could happen with a brand new car. I guess I wall tapped it and threw the back bumper off of it, so that was exciting, and popped both tires. So what more can you ask for? Let's see if we can do it again and win a little bit of money maybe. Here we go. All right, well, James just went and ripped it till right at the end when something fell on fire. Really good run, though. Hopefully, Lexus will do pretty good for round 2. Well, apparently Jack Stan kicked the rods out of his. Let's see if we can do this thing again. Whew. And yes, I will probably have to use the nitrous on this one if these tires are sticky at all. Howdy. How are you?
Oh, you won Burnout.
Did I? Oh, heck yeah. Sweet. Heck yeah.
A little wind streak around here.
Dang right. Oh,
really
dang.
good job.
Huh?
You did a really good job.
Thanks. I'm gonna see if I can step it up a little harder on the tip end this time. Because I was.
Brent's?
Huh?
See Brent's?
No.
It was hauling ass.
Really?
Yes. It was nuts.
Yeah, this, like the first one, I know I was timid on the tip end just because, I mean, that, like, literally I did a 10-foot burnout at the shop and that was it before we put it in the box.
Then you got a W.
We didn't line this thing, we didn't. Huh?
Yeah, I think
Sweet! 2 for this weekend.
yeah, I went in tomorrow.
Probably not, but probably not winning this either, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, this thing.
Burnouts are fun.
Yeah, they are. So fun.
Yeah, like you can't explain it to anyone.
I know.
It's almost like a brow. I'm like, I know. It's dumb.
What?
It's just so fun.
Yeah. Hopefully the wind stays up and I can see. I felt like the wind kind of died down on my last run, and I got a little lost a couple times. Looks like they might be about ready for me. We ready?
Had to back up a little bit. Hey, got lots of stuff, brother. It happens, man. In first place for rivals, we have Kevin Smith. Alright, now for pros. In pro class, we have number 5, Kevin, KSR. Number 4, your boy Cleetus. Hold on 1 second, I gotta ask a question about this.
All right, well, I got 5th place in the pro category. Pretty good, and you guys saw me get walled up. I think I would have done even better if I hadn't walled the thing up. But I didn't wall up in the Burnout Rivals, and I won Burnout Rivals. Got a sweet like belt, that's kind of cool. Another trophy. Oh, we're ripping. Got another Eagle trophy for the shop. So that makes 2 for this weekend, and then another one for the Danger Ranger race. So I got 3 event wins in a row. I wonder if we can make it 4 tomorrow in the 2.4 hours of Les Mullets. Have to see how me and Taylor do tomorrow, or Taylor and I do tomorrow. But thanks again for watching, subscribing, sharing, commenting. watching the pay-per-views, coming to the events, buying the merch, winwithksr.com. Anyways, see you guys next time.